Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2009 Jeep Compass and I will show you how to replace the engine air filter. This video applies to first generation of Jeep Compass, which was made from 2007 all the way up to 2015. The engine air filter is located inside this box, so you'll have to remove a couple of things in order to access it. So first thing what you want to do is remove this plastic piece. It's held here by two plastic screws. So what you want to do, you want to turn both of these to a horizontal position, and once you do that you can just lift this part up so it's not holding it anymore, and then you want to pull it straight out towards yourself like this to remove it. Next thing, you want to unhook these two metal clips, so just pull them toward the right side like this. And even now, if you look here inside, you'll be able to see the air filter, but you still can't pull it out because there is just too much things on the way here. So you'll want to disconnect this plastic holes here, so just pull it and wiggle it towards the left side like this. Then the next thing you want to do, there's this flat screw here. Now don't remove it completely, you just want to loosen it up so you can wiggle this plastic pipe off the air filter cover. So yeah, like I said, just loosen it up, don't go all the way. And once you do that, you should be able just to wiggle this plastic piece off. I'm trying to work with one hand, but I should be able to do it even like this. Okay, see, very easy to do. And once you do that, you have a full access to the engine air filter, which will just pull it out, and that's it. And yes, and make sure to clean the inside of this air box and this side as well before you install the new filter. Once you have the new filter, you just put it back in pretty much the same way like you took the old one out, and put everything back together. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and that you were able to replace the air filter. If it was helpful, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel and help me expand it. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.